I hope you all are well and fine. So here I'm with a video where you all can submit your holiday assignments, as many of you have got holiday assignment as a PPT. Now in NTAP app, the problem is that you cannot upload a PPT file. You can only upload a image file. So here is a short tutorial that how you can convert your PowerPoint presentation to a image file, and then you can easily upload it in the Campus Care NTAP app. So for that, first let us see where is the PPT. So suppose you have made a PPT. Just let us explore the PPT. So as you can see, I've opened my file manager app, and I will just locate where I have kept it. So I've kept it in my internal storage, and you can find here a PPT nets. So this is a PowerPoint presentation. Now this PPT cannot be uploaded in the NTAB app. So for that reason, we have to convert this PPT into an image file. Okay, so let us learn how to convert this PPT to image file. So for that, you all have to go to Google Chrome. You just have to open the Google Chrome app, and in the Google search you will just type PPT to JPG converter. Okay, JPG means image file extension. So you just have to type PPT to JPG converter, and the first search result you will find here PPT to JPG onlineconvert.com. So you will just open this website, and just here you will find an option choose files. So you have to just locate your PPT file from your device. After tapping on choose files, you all need to tap on files. Now as we have checked that we have kept our file in the internal memory, so this is my internal memory RMX1971. So we will go to the internal memory and we will scroll down, and we will find here the PPT. This is the PPT that we want to convert into JPG image file. So I will just select that PPT. It will take some time for uploading, and then we have to just do some slide settings. You can make it you can make the quality settings good, and you can make it medium, compress, and rest no need to do anything. Just you have to change these two settings, quality settings good and compress medium, and just tap we all need to tap on start conversion. It will take some time. Processing takes some time, so you all need to wait. As soon as the processing will be done, then we can see here that the PPT file is converted into JPG images file. As the PPT was of 10 slides, so you can find here 10 images. This is number 10, from starting from 00001 to 00010. So 10 slides, so 10 image files. So one by one you need to download the images. So I will tap here download first image file, then the second, third, and fourth, then fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and 10th. So all the image files have been downloaded. Now we will just check it that if the files are there or not. So files will go to the photos folder. So you can see here all the 10 slides have been converted. 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So you can see here all the 10 image files have been converted. Now these files we can upload in the Intab app. So what you all need to do, just need to open the Campus Care app. You all will sign in. Now we will move to project section. Now in the project part you will find here upload your PPT project work. Now as we know that we cannot upload the PPT file, so what we have done, we have converted the PPT to a image file. So we just have to upload the image file. So we will tap on upload, again upload image and gallery. Now here you can see all the 10 image files have been converted. So you can do the adjust, you all can do the adjustment and you can easily upload the files. One by one you can select and you all can upload it. So in this way you all can convert the images and you all can upload it accordingly. If your slide is of 5 slides or 10 slides, so accordingly we can upload the images as a PPT. You have to do some slight adjustments one by one. When all the images will be done, so we can together as a whole we can just tap on upload all and we can submit our PPT presentation as a image files. So this was the tutorial. So I hope you all have understood that how to convert PPT to JPG image, and you all can upload your assignments accordingly. So thank you for watching the video. Thank you all of you.